Hey. Gee, I haven't read a story for a long time, but I found this story called Née Naw, the little fire engine. I reckon you might like this one. Let's give it a go. There was a dinky little fire truck hidden away, with a dent in his bottom and a door painted grey. The new engines thought he couldn't help it all, but he wasn't very shiny, because he wasn't very shiny and he wasn't very tall. Still, he would stretch his ladder up all the way and practice putting out fires every day. His clunky engine made a loud flip, plop, bang, and they laughed at him as he proudly sang. Née Naw, Née Naw, I'm a little fire engine. Née Naw, Née Naw, I'm happy I'm me. The day was scorching hot when a phone call came. "Help!" shrieked Granny. "I can see a large flame." But the road to Granny's house was tight, bumpy and rough. For those shiny big engines, it was just too tough. One truck became stuck, another burst a tyre. "Oh no," they yelled, "we can't get to the fire." That's when they heard a loud plop, bang, and gasped his tiny little engine, gasped as his tiny little siren rang. Née Naw, Née Naw, I'm a little fire engine. Née Naw, Née Naw, I'm happy I'm me. Née Naw knew exactly what he had to do. He raced up the small road with the help of his crew. He stretched up his ladder and they climbed to the top, and he used his water and hose to make the fire stop. "The tank's empty," said one of the crew, and they found water in Granny's loo. Née Naw quickly pumped the water through, making sure he missed the smelly shoe. The other engines cheered, and to Née Naw they said, "We'll fix your dented bum and paint you sparkly red." "I like my dent," he smiled, "and my grey door, and I love being small. That's what makes me Née Naw." Née Naw, Née Naw, I'm a little fire engine. Née Naw, Née Naw, I'm happy I'm me. I'm happy I'm me. I'm happy I'm me. That's a fun story about Née Naw, the little fire engine. Hope you liked it. Love you. Bye.